Hello, my name is John Kunyajayi. You are welcome to Salesforce How To Series. In this video, you will learn how you can place lightning record flow, screen flow on record detail page with a scenario of creating opportunity related to an account. Before we go on, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos on Salesforce How To Series. So let's jump into our developer org right now, even as we begin to do this particular scenario. Remember, the scenario is how you can place lightning screen flow on record data page with a scenario of creating opportunity related to an account. So we're going to create an opportunity. You must remember that there are three fields that are very, very important for you to create a record on opportunity, which is close date, opportunity name, and stage. So let's jump into our flow right now. We are clicking, we are creating it through a screen flow, remember, through a screen flow. So from here, we click screen. Let's call this screen one. Then we are going to create an opportunity name. We are going to create an opportunity name. You need a text from here. Let's call it name, or let's say opportunity name. Let's make it require. The next thing is close date. Let's choose date. Let's call this close date. Also make it require. But stage is another thing that's very, very important. Is a required, but stage here is a pick list. It's a pick list, so you have to pick from our flow builder. You have to pick a pick list. Let's call this stage. Let's say stage name. Make it require. Then from here you have to choose a new choice resource, so you can create a pick list choice set. Let's call this stage. The object is opportunity. Here type is pick list, and then the feed is stage name. So these are things that are very, very that are required and very, very important for you to create an opportunity. So from here, you have to create a record. But before we go on, we want to actually relate the opportunity to the account details page, on account details page. So we have to create a resource, a new resource called record ID. It's a variable. It's called record ID. Remember, when you are creating your record ID, every other thing should be small letter. The only thing that is there should be that you capital letter is the I. Then the data type is test, and it's available for input. Then you have to create a record. Call it create opportunity. How many records should be created? Just one record. And let us use separate resources so we can actually link it to our record. The object is opportunity. Now we want to map our feeds that we created earlier. Let's first choose close date. We have created close earlier. Then opportunity name. Name. Opportunity name that we created earlier. And then stage is another thing that we need to do. Stage. Stage that we created earlier. Don't pick this choice set. Remember, we are on screen, so you have to be screen component. And lastly, for us to be able to relate the account with the opportunity, so you have to do what we call record ID, account ID, to map it with our record ID that we created earlier. So these are the things that we need to create. Let's save it. Let's call it Create Opportunity. With accounts. You have to activate it. Remember the scenario again, the scenario is that you are actually placing the Lightning screen flow on record data page. So we have to go to account. You can choose any account. Let's choose this account. Then you edit the page. You can choose any account that you want. I'm just choosing this particular account. Once you have placed the flow on this account, it shows on all the accounts that it has been created before, or you're just creating it. So from here, from this company, you're going to choose flow. You drag and drop it anywhere that you want, but I prefer to drop it here. Then from here, you're going to find your flow that we just created earlier. Then choose this, is very, very important, so you can actually pass this particular ID to the account, so it can be related with each other. And you save it. Then you save, then you go back. You see that our flow will be reflecting on this particular account. Here is our flow. So opportunity name, let's say opportunity 101. Close date, let's say 31st of this month. Stage name, let's say it is negotiation stage. Then next, realize that the opportunity 101 that we created right now will be created in this space. Be created in this space. So that's the way you can actually place the screen flow on the opportunity, on the record data page, the scenario of creating opportunity related to an account. So if you have any question, please chat me up or send me a message, then we can actually answer your question. Thank you very much. Bye.